So here, after entering all the details, we'll directly get to a link, generate portfolio. So here we can see our portfolio, which is designed. Here we can see our user's name. We have the links of LinkedIn and GitHub profile. So I'll show you one of them. So here directly we have entered into the GitHub account. So for example, I have given my GitHub account. So you can see here my what I have skills I have learned till now. So also we have here education, programming languages, certifications which I have done. So for an example, I have showed all my projects and certifications which I have done. And after all this, I have given my contact details here. So this is our portfolio app. So in the first page, we are giving the introduction of our app. In the second page, in the input page, we are giving all the details of the user. And in the final, we can see our portfolio which have prepared with the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Hope you all liked it. If you have any queries, please ask.
Okay. Yes. Good afternoon, Akshay.
Good afternoon, sir.
So you had made it using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript purely, correct?
Yes, sir.
There are lots of resume building apps,
Yes, sir.
okay, and they are free also. So how your application is different from the others? What is the unique feature of this application?
So unique features in this application are we have given all the LinkedIn account links and we have given our
We can directly go to that account.
Yes,
we have
it is
given
available. It is available in all the formats which is available, and you can check also. Even you can you had already means you had already surveyed on that kind of web application. Resumebuilder.com have free, and there are lots of, and I don't know, you had not told that key your resume building app is providing the ATS resume or not, because the company required right now ATS resume, and the format you had shown in the demonstration is not likely to ATS resume.
just it is to give a demo for of your any freelancer to show up their skills. So we have developed for that for easy resume preparation, not all the professional links, but we,
For
for
freshers.
freshers who want to apply for internships like that we have.
Okay, good, nice attempt, and you should. It's my suggestion. You should do better for this kind of resume building app, and you should focus on the ATS resume, correct? ATS resume builder, because it is a requirement of the company applicant tracking system. And one more thing, you should give the validation authentications of the user. User should register or log in before starting the resume building. And your app, it's a completely plainly JavaScript. It will require some backend feature also if you will use the authentication and validation for any kind of user.
Actually, as we are first year students, we have only these
This is
skills
It's a
HTML,
very,
CSS, and Java.
yes, yes, very nice, good attempt, very good. But you can continue this thing in future also with the with these features I had told you. You can do better.
okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Will improve.
Yes, yes, yes. Sure. Good.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, team number 4.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You can now you can leave this meet.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Team number 5, are you there?
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Now you can start your presentation.
Okay.
Team number 5, are you there?
Yes. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Now you can start your presentation. Are you there?
Good afternoon, everyone. My topic name is, my project name is Network Risk Design. I'm getting disturbance. Hello?
Yeah, 2 minutes. Please
Hello?
wait for a while.
Okay,
Good
okay.
afternoon,
Everyone. My topic name is, my project name is Network Design. I'm getting disturbance. Hello?
Hello? Yeah, 2 minutes. Please
Hello?
wait for a while. ఇప్పుడు జాయిన్ అవ్వమని చెప్పు పర్సనల్గా మెసేజ్ చేయి Hello? Team number 5?
Can we start our
Team number
presentation?
5?
Yes, ma'am. Team number 5.
Yeah. Is it clear now?
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're
Yes,
audible
ma'am.
Yes,
now.
yes.
Yeah, now you can start your
Can we start?
presentation.
Okay, ma'am.
So, good afternoon, everyone. Our project name is Network Risk Detector. Here, risk means anomalies. Network anomalies are, first of all, what is network anomaly? It is a deviation from the normal behavior which could indicate the potential security threats such as cyber attacks and cyber hacking, etc. So there are different types of anomalies. Here you can see that is DOS attack, suspicious port, high data length, unusual protocol, low TTL value, missing packet value. I will tell you real world example. Like imagine you are a security head of major bank. Every day millions of transaction happens normally. Salary deposits, ATM withdrawals, online shopping. A user account is trying to transfer huge amount of money at 3 o'clock a.m. The IP address is from foreign country, even though the user lives locally. So these are called red flags. So here you can say that network anomalies there in the network. So these type of anomalies can be found out by our detector, that is our project. So why our project is important means it protects sensitive data, prevents cyber attacks, detects threats in real time, saves millions in potential damage, finds unknown threats. We have designed three types of solutions, that is traditional file upload method, real-time packets detection, blockchain logging. So here traditional file upload, we use technical stack front end and back end tools like in front end HTML, CSS and React, in back end Python, JavaScript, GNITC, Web3, Solidity. These all comes under back end and apps. So here traditional file upload method, we are using a .csv file to upload the file. It finds the suspicious IP addresses of particular logs. So we can see the execution of file file upload method, that is first method. Here we should upload file. I'm choosing one file. So here you can see that the timestamp, source IP address, destination IP address, number of bytes transferred, and it is suspicious or not. It sends an email alert. I will show in my phone. It sends by admin to the user. This is an email alert which sends by the admin to the user. And another method is real-time packets. Here real-time packets means live monitoring of packets. For example, I am using my college Wi-Fi. So in my college Wi-Fi, we can find out the number of anomalies detected. I will show the execution of real-time packets. Here you can see that starting packets captured. See, if a particular packet get an detected anomaly, it shows alert anomaly packet detected and the reason. This is live, means thousands of packets will be generated by our college Wi-Fi. It is suspicious or not, it will show by this. And I have also added advanced features like graphical representation and PDF report generate. I will show that also. You can see the live network traffic in graph. That is live, it will change every 2 seconds. And another one is PDF report generated. I will also show that. Here you can see the PDF report is generated. Here you can see timestamp and source IP address, destination IP address. If the anomaly is detected, it shows the anomalies detected also. This is the real IP addresses of source and destination. And another third one is blockchain logging. Blockchain logging is like database which stores the logs of previous. It is used for the it is used for logs are tampered with after an attack. we use blockchain to securely log all network activities so anomalies can be detected, verified with 100% integrity. A secure way to record the unusual network activities. We see the execution of particular block anomaly login.
Team number 5, your presentation time has been ended. Now sir will be going to ask you some questions.
Just 2 minutes. One last one is there. I should do that.
Then we need to reduce the timing in question and answer session.
Okay, no issues. Continue.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
sir, now you can ask them some questions, sir.
Okay, okay. Uh, so, have you used what technology you had used for statistical methods for detection the anomalies?
So Python, sir. For backend, totally Python only, sir.
Python.
NumPy pandas.
Only NumPy Panda. I think
We use
some
PyShark to
algorithm
capture packets.
capture packets. Okay, and
PyShark,
which okay, which machine learning algorithm you had used for
rule-based
detect
algorithms.
which one?
Rule based.
Rule-based.
Rule based algorithm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, rule based, but rule based to have some limitations.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It has some
So
limitations.
yes, means which rules you had defined on these kind of rules will be detected anomalies
So we
of
can
these.
modify according to our purpose. For some domains, there may be a different rules. For some domains, it may be a different rules.
So
I kept. Uh, yes, sir.
so modification is done by manually only,
Yes,
not
sir.
automatic.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We
Okay,
kept only
but
rule-based approach.
okay, okay. So you can do it means the modification should be automatic and it should use some machine learning method. Means you
Yes.
can use one class SCVM. You know
Yes.
SVM? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because otherwise the purpose will not be completed.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. And for how can uh, or for front end, where which technology you use for front end?
Sir, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and also React, sir.
Okay, fine.
For report
Okay,
generation,
team number 4.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, continue.
for report generation report lab.lib and matlib dot py, sir. This will be generate PDF.
Okay, would you handle missing values and outliers in the anomaly detection?
Sir, I already said it is rule based approach. We kept one rule which detects the missing packet also, sir. Yeah.
No,
If there
if
is a
it's
you
okay,
where you can see that.
rule based is okay, but to handle I am asking how would you handle the missing values and
Sir,
outliers?
this is only to detect, sir, not to handle.
Okay, so you can modify this because
Yes,
it
sir.
is
Yes,
necessary. Not
definitely,
only
sir.
detection, you should handling is more important.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Correct?
sir. We will add.
In crime, cyber crime also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, good. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you,
sir.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you, team number 5. Now you can leave the meeting. Sir, I think there is some kind of technical issue with team number 6. Sir, they will be joining in 2 minutes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Team number 6, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I am there.
Yeah,
Yes,
now you
ma'am.
can start your presentation. Please on your video as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah, visible. Now you can start your presentation.
Ma'am, is my presentation visible?
Okay.
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Speaker, go
Good
ahead.
afternoon. Yes, finish. Good afternoon to our panel members. I am Shrikar. I am my teammate Vinish, a final year student from Guru Nanak institutions. Today we are excited to walk through our project, Warsight. This project is our response to the rising need for intelligence defense solutions in modern warfare. The Warsight is a AI-powered two-stage surveillance and decision support system that helps our military forces to detect, to classify, and respond to aerial threats like aircrafts. For example, imagine a future where threats can be spotted and acted upon within seconds with zero human error. That's the kind of vision we are aiming to support with our project, ma'am. In today's battlefield, there is no room for delay. Every second matters. Even the slight hesitation can cost lives for compromise national security. Recently, we have seen the scenario in Kashmir also.
Helga.
Yeah. Best of all, the entire system is wrapped in a single, simple interactive web application built using Streamlit. Ma'am. So that even personnel with minimal technical experience can use it efficiently in field operations. Now, Vinish will explain the approach we are using in our system architecture.
So, so if we were able to discuss about the approach that we implemented to this project, we have used something so called as convolutional neural networks. So, which are pretty much common with the help of graphical acceleration. So, the thing is that we have collected data from different outsources websites like Kaggle. We organize the data in a flow from directory structure. Once we organize the data, we filter the data, we rescale the images. We have designed a system architecture in such a way that once the data is collected from a satellite or unmanned aerial vehicle drones, the image is processed with an engine in which this convolutional neural network resides. So this neural network will just cross-verify the image, find the features, it will evaluate. Once it evaluates, once it gets the output, that output is matched with the metadata analysis. So the output is again evaluated, analyzed. Uh, it's all uh, it's all facilities, I mean not facilities, it's all specifications are present in metadata analysis. These specifications are again pushed through the interface. So once they are pushed, a person will be able to easily access the data and the specifications about that particular class which we got. So, so this is the structure of a basic convolutional layer that we use. So here we can see that couple of convolutions happening inside the first phase. Once the convolutions happen with the help of the filter, in order to be more specific, we have used a 3 into 3 channel filter for RGB images. So once the convolutions happen and the images get downgraded gradually, uh, it is flattened into a single array and passed to a fully connected neural network. This neural network is a traditional artificial neural network. Once again, works like a proper neural network rather than working with convolutions. After that, it gets classified. It gives us a array of values. So we designed this particular neural network with 83 classes. So it outputs about 83 values. A raw output consists of logits, just the probabilities. The probabilities determine how much probability this has to be this particular class. So it, again, this complete array is argmax. Once the argmaxing is done, we will get the exact class. So this was the process we have gone. This is the training phase yesterday. So we trained it with 10 epochs, which means we trained the model continuously with 10 epochs. We passed the training data for 10 different times. So it ended up being 80% accurate. So my friend Srikar will explain about applications,
Yes.
how this is used. Go ahead,
Warset
Srikar.
has a wide range of applications across different branches of defense. For the army, it can be integrate with border surveillance systems to automatically flag unauthorized aerial activity. For the Air Force, it can be satellite process or UAV feeds and help in real-time mission control. For naval operations, it can scan the skies for enemies, drones, or shield planes approaching seas boundaries. Another major benefit is its ability to filter out non threatening objects like domestic flights or neutral drones. So, decision makers only see what really matters. Think of it as giving our surveillance camera a brain. It doesn't just watch, it understands, helps, and take action. In short, our system acts like an intelligent assistant, constantly watching the skies and guiding our defense forces to act smart and very fast. Now we will see a code demonstration. Vinny, start demonstration.
Team number 6, your presentation time has been ended.
Ma'am, we will show our
Okay.
demonstration. Just 1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah, you will be having only 2 extra minutes now. Apart from that,
Okay, ma'am.
you will be having a question and answer session.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So, guys, you're able to watch my screen correctly, no? Right? So, ma'am. Hello.
Yeah,
Uh,
you can
my
start.
screen is visible, ma'am. Yeah. Okay. So we designed a prototype using a Streamlit, ma'am. Streamlit application that actually uses simple data science applications can be designed. sorry, I forgot. So the already saved neural network is going to load, guys. Let me just quickly open some test images. This training part, just the testing part. These are all the 83 classes of which we used to train the model. Okay, almost. Okay, prototype has been loaded first. So we can actually select anything, any class. Let's say if we take Su-57 Russian fighter jet as an instance, and if we drag the simple image, okay, okay, takes the image, it does the convolutions, it classifies whether it is Su-57 or any other fighter jet. Okay, so the confidence rate for it saying that it is a Su-57 was 30%, and it is indeed a Su-57 of a Russian fighter jet. And not only Su-57, we can just try it with various other classes as well. It works with almost, it may be sometimes predict wrong. Let's say if we try B21,
Team number
okay,
6,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
your presentation time is completed. Now, sir will be asking you some questions because we have given you a lot of time for your presentation.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, we understand.
Sir,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
sir, now you can ask
Uh,
them questions, sir.
yes, yes, Srihari sir, can you ask?
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir,
Okay,
so what technologies you have used?
we will.
we have used deep learning technology, to be more precise, a convolutional neural network that we have used in our project, sir. It can be further upgraded as well. We can also use long-term memory neural networks. That's a whole different story with another data set.
What language you have used?
So we used Python scripts, sir. We used Python. We used libraries so-called as TensorFlow, Keras, and many other stuff to collect the data, integrate it into one place, and output with the Streamlit UI. So we used Python, sir.
You have talked about fully connected neural network, right? Can you elaborate
Yes.
on that?
Yeah, I can elaborate, sir. It's not about just complete, fully connected neural network, also in combination with the convolution neural network. So convolution neural network is pretty much, it is divided into two different halves. First half is completely carried out with convolutions. In this phase, the image undergoes constant downgrade. So if we pass a 128 into 128 pixel image, it will just get downgraded by continuously evaluating for features. Once the features are thoroughly evaluated, these complete image pixels are flattened. Flattened means, in order to imagine, you can imagine that complete image in a single array. This array of values are passed through a simple neural network. And this is second half of the neural network. This second half is the fully connected neural network that you were talking about, sir. So once this images,
For example, Army, it can integrate with border surveillance systems, sir, to automatically flag unauthorized aerial activity. For the Air Force, it can process satellite images and feeds in real time
Yes,
and
yes,
mission
I,
control
I can,
for
yes, yes. I had listened your presentation, but my question is,
applications.
which technology you should believe this is the image processing method, correct?
Yes, sir.
Your
yes, sir.
device will take the image of the plane, fighter plane, and everything, and your project process that image. That should be the real-time image.
Yes.
You had generated the
Yes,
prototype, correct?
Yes, sir.
Real-time
yes,
image should be captured, and after
Yes, sir.
capturing the image, the processor should process that image, and after processing, it should be output is the name of the plane, fighter plane, and the confidence level, correct? That is the
confidence
output.
level, and also as it is a prototype, we have just mentioned the confidence level. If it were to be really implemented into the real-time market, we are also going to design it such a way that it also predicts, it also activates all the counter measures for that particular attacks. So
Yes. So how it is
yeah,
beneficial for the army? Army had uh, the big radar system, correct?
Yes.
To
yeah,
detect the
yeah,
to detect the fighter planes and anything else which is cover the boundaries. So how
yes,
it is beneficial for the army over the radar system?
okay. No, no, no. Uh, it cannot be beneficial over the radar system, but it can be integrated with the radar system. For example, there is something so called as network-centric warfare that is inside each and every country's military and defense systems. So this network-centric warfare is a kind of a network that is established between different military vehicles. So this military vehicles often share the images, real-time images and real-time information about the vehicles that are roaming around in their territory. So for this kind of application, we can integrate this particular convolutional algorithm with the radar systems. So radar system pretty much works on radio signals. It embeds the radio signals and it captures the bounce back signals. And with the help of the bounce back signals that which we get, it can be this can be again a spectrum image is created with the help of the rays that bounce back. These spectrum images can be again sent to our particular technology so that it can precisely tell which kind of aircraft is this. So not only images, we can also integrate it in such a way that it also takes the body movement speed, its moving pattern to to draw conclusions. So this is helpful in something so called as network centric warfare. So
Sir, with this project, we can see we can have only one vision for the entire battlefield, sir. For soldiers, for planes, for vehicles, everyone will get one vision uh, where enemies are attacking. So it will be more helpful to counterattack to the enemies in real time because of it is in real time. We use as a part of remote sensing and GIS using satellite imagery. It will go through real time, so we will get real time information. In that way, the attacking will be supreme level, sir.
Okay, okay. But for this kind of level, you need a very good
Very good.
deep
good
learning.
amount of
Uh,
hardware acceleration. Yes.
yes, yes, yes. It's a very big hardware is required, and very
Yeah. Hard.
the camera vision and the
Yes.
pixels and everything should be very high definition camera is required. Very high definition
Yes,
to
sir.
capture the
Yes.
images.
Yes. Sir.
Okay, the hardware cost should be optimized. And one more thing,
Yeah. Hard.
you had developed this project using deep learning algorithms, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Using deep learning because it's a process of image processing, है ना?
Yeah.
So that's why the size of database you had trained. What is the size of database?
We have around a 3 GB,
We took
sir.
3 GB, sir. Just 3 GB.
Sorry,
3 GB.
sir,
How many
but the
images?
question and answer session is completed. We have given them a lot of time, sir.
Okay,
Other
ma'am.
teams
Around
have.
Okay.
3,500 images, sir. We trained the model with 3,500 images, and it took about 8 hours of training time.
So which deep learning algorithm you had used?
Let me just quickly show you, sir. We used TensorFlow,
No. Which
TensorFlow
library?
for
We use the convolutional neural network, sir, CNN, for image
I
classification.
am asking
convolutional neural.
algorithm.
CNN.
No. I am asking algorithm in CNN and deep learning. Activation function and algorithm.
Okay. Yeah. If you want me to explain the internal
Team number
details,
six, your
so we
time
have
is
used
up. Sorry to interrupt. Sorry to interrupt. Your time is up. We have given you a lot of time.
okay. Sir, the activation
Okay,
was
ma'am.
Please understand
softmax.
our situation.
Okay. Sir, the activation was softmax, and I think my time is completed, sir. I would like to
Can we show
explain
a
all
quick,
the details
quick
internally.
Okay,
UA,
okay,
sir?
okay. Okay, done.
Sir, can we show
Okay, sir. Thank
UA,
you.
sir?
It's okay. It's okay. Our time is completed, sir. It's,
Okay.
thank you for giving us this
Thank you, sir.
opportunity, sir, ma'am.
Thank you, team number six. Now you can leave the meet.
Okay.
Okay.
Team number seven, is that you? Sir, you're not audible.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Akshata Masir from team number 7. My application name is Secure Me, an AI application for women safety. This application is basically based for built for the women safety, which where women face the problems in day-to-day lives. I am sharing the screen now. So this is our presentation slide, and this is internal setup slide. So without going through the presentation, I would like to directly present my application. So this is our home screen of our application, and our application name is Secure Me, an AI application for women safety. This is SOS button, which is used to send the message to respective mails which are registered at this time of registration. So I click the register SOS button, and the message goes to the registered mail, and here is Cyanide said, I am in danger. Please help me. Current location 5 mmq plus 6 xp. So from this mobile, I registered on my phone, and here is the uh, live location with the message of I am in danger. Please help me. The second option is police helpline, where emergency contacts are used. The third option is live location, where user can see their live location. For that, you have to enable your location permission. So my current location is Dr. Vittal Rao Vike Patil College of Engineering at Ahmednagar, and here is emergency contact, means the contacts like your family members, your friends, and other important numbers, you can register it. The third option is woman helpline. There are various woman helpline phone numbers which are already in our application, which is used when you are in a danger situation, and uh, respected located police stations. Here is the option of audio recording. So whenever I click on the record, the nearby voice or nearby noise can be recorded and automatically sent to the respective mails and phone numbers. And this option is used for as a proof of after the any harassment situation occurred. S- and our extra features like a up key button, where you can speak like hello, help me, I am in danger, and this message is directly sent to respective mails. And this option is work at offline mode only, at off online and offline both modes. So here is a message that I speak now, and in the down key option, you can capture the image of the any danger situation. So I can capture the image, and this image is sent to the respective mail. So there is network problem here, so image capturing option is not working currently. And this is our internal coding part, where we have used the Kotlin and Java, and for front end development we have used the XML files and various APIs like Google API, image capturing API we have used. So this application is helps women for the to women to live in a secure and more comfortable environment without any hesitation or any fear. So this is our application.
This is basically an AI application, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What algorithms you have used for that?
For the Google APIs, like NLP for the text speech to text transformation, we have used a various NLP algorithms like RNN.
Mm-hmm.
And for image capturing, we have used the CNN, convolutional neural networks.
So basically, already there are some existing apps available. Uh,
Yes, sir. There are various
how is
exist
yours different from the existing apps?
many applications or IoT device are previously developed, but they are not working in offline mode. Our application send message in the offline mode also. Whenever you start speaking through Google API, the message is sent to the respective mail and mobile number through message at offline mode also.
How is it possible through offline mode?
Oh, for offline mode,
Without internet, you cannot use email. You cannot send an email, which Without the network coverage, you cannot send an SMS or WhatsApp.
S no sir, message is sent through the SMS. Your longitude and latitude of locations are shared.
For that, you need the internet connection, right?
Sir, SMS, simple message through without network.
Without network, you cannot send SMS.
Sir, I can show you demo. So, sir, my application is neat. Here is the message, sir, without network. You see, it is a simple SMS message. With your current location.
For sending SMS also, you need the telephone service provider, right?
Yes, sir.
Telephone service provider means that coverage should be there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
When the coverage is there, automatically internet will also be there. But if you means I mean to ask, if there is no coverage, you cannot send this SMS also.
Sir, can you repeat the question, please?
If you do not have the network coverage of a particular ISP or a, telephone service provider, you cannot send even an SMS also.
Yes, sir.
Then, so whatever you are claiming that without network also we can send this message and all these things are not possible, no?
No, we can consider it as our future planning or future features in our applications. Is there any question, sir?
Sir, any questions from your side, sir? Anvesh?
Sir, that's all for her presentation, sir, for now.
Hmm?
Sir, her presentation time is over. Sir said it's okay. You can only ask the questions.
Okay. Okay, then
Thank you, team number 7. Now you can exit from the group.
Okay, thank you, everyone.
So we will be having the lunch break for 30 minutes, sir. We will
now,
join the meet. Yes, sir.
okay, okay,
So we will join the meet again after 30 minutes.
okay, Amma.
Yes, sir.
ఇఫాన్ సార్ అంటే ఛార్జింగ్ లేదు. Sir, it might take few more minutes, sir. They are joining. They are facing some technical issues. They will join within 2 minutes, sir. Team number 1, are you ready with your presentations? Team number 1,
Extreme ready is me.
Team number 8, is that you?
Yes, it's team number 8.
Okay. Now you can start your presentation. You only have 8 minutes for presentation and 5 minutes for question and answer session. Please be on time. You need because we need to take other teams as well.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Can we start, please? Okay.
Yeah, you can start now.
Okay. So, good afternoon, the panel. And me and my team, we have made a web-based application called HealthPal, and it is designed to make healthcare things very accessible and very personalized way. So its main aim is to monitor and to record and to personalize the fitness and a person's goals. Also, make a record out of it, and also helps that person in making his health life very beneficial and very productive. So while we are making that application, we had a aim that we want to make a very all-in-one kind of application, web-based application. Means if we go into the market, we will see that most of the apps, they have running ads, or they are like subscription based. So we wanted to fill the gap between all of these things, and we wanted to create such a interface that is that will be very advanced, and that will counter all of these problems. Like if you are trying to improve your health life with using a application, but you keep getting ads, so you will be interrupted by those ads and all of these things. If that app is asking you for some payment and subscription, of course for a middle class person it will be a very questioning thing, that do I really have to pay for my own health? So thinking about those things and these points, we have made this interface which is called HealthPal, which is also HealthPal, in which PAL stands for friend. So it's your own companion, it's your own friend, which will be helpful and which will be helping you in your own health productivity. Now I pass this screen to Peter to continue.
So good afternoon, panel. I am Peter. I am presenting our PPT of a group project where we have designed HealthPal. It's a user-friendly website-based application where we can see health monitoring system. So I'm presenting now. So basically, we are Team Health Giants, and we have chosen topic for IEEE health tracking website. So here we can see uh, our website name is HealthPal. It's a personalized health monitoring website where we can see the technologies used in it is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Chart.js, where in backend we have seen PHP. In the database, we have used MySQL with the help of Zen, and we have also have one feature like we can export PDF with the help of HTML to PDF.js, and session handling with the help of PHP sessions. So project objectives, we have made this for a user so that a user can log their data health stats, set personalized goals, track their progress through visual charts, get smart AI-based suggestions, and export their daily PDF. What are the user doing and what is their goal, and if they are completing. So our website gives some progress to it and create a PDF over it. So key features are there: user authentication and health data logging, where a user can track sleep hours, water intake, steps walked, and workout time. So benefits for user as well as developer we can see in our project. For user, it keeps user to motivate, to persistent and to make discipline, easy to visualize, personalized, goal oriented. if a user can using a website, so it can be a goal oriented and a motivation for him. And for the developer, it's a real based full stack practice, JS visualization and graphic user interface. So here is the first interface of a website, health path. So when we open our website, it's the pop-up, welcome to health pal. Health means we all know it's a major factor of every human being, and pal means friend. It's a friend of us. So it tells us and to factorize our health, it's better or not according to a BMI. So it shows the dynamic dashboards where there is a rings, weekly summaries, smart suggestions, logic based, obviously, goal composition, and current and logistic streaks. So this is our dashboard. If a user put their data according to it, it gives us PDF like
Do
this.
you have demo? Can you give the demo?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
sure.
sir.
Go for the demo.
So now I request Vaibhavi to give the demonstration. My teammate Vaibhavi.
So, good afternoon, panel. So, here we will go to the HealthPal website.
So this is the first interface as we have seen in the PPT. Welcome to HealthPal.
So, here we can take any user that has his account. Otherwise, we can sign up. So, I'm using already existing account. So, once I've logged in, here the user can see his info. In profile, he or she can edit. So, here a person can calculate his or her BMI.
And according to the BMI, our website also shows it's overweight, underweight, or it's a weight as normal.
Yes, and it will be saved.
Help of
So
also.
standard BMI categories are also shown. And now, so according to the health needs, yoga gallery is also given.
According to the health, it can be a yoga gallery where a user can do their workouts according to it and can reduce their weight or gain. They can gain as well.
Yes. So now
Health check.
a person can set health goals according to his or her needs. So we can set like 3.5 liters water, 8 hours sleep, 12,000 steps, and 30 or 45 minutes workout, and save the goals. So once we have saved goals, now we have to log data daily. So suppose if 3 liters of water, 6 hours sleep, 10,000 steps, and 30 minutes of workout I have done today. So I'll submit the log, and according to that, the charts will appear, and smart suggestions will tell what should you do so that uh, you can complete your goal. So in the dashboard, you can see the weekly summary, today's progress, smart suggestions, and streaks. Uh, so when we log in daily, here we can see all the days will be filled with the data, and with that we can export it to PDF.
So here a user can export their PDF and maintain records as well.
Yes.
Team, you
It's
have completed your presentation time. So I will be asking you some questions now.
Okay, sure.
a
So
nice
please ask
project.
the questions.
It's a nice project. You
Thank
have
you, sir.
done well. So, how is your project different from the existing apps?
Sir, basically it's a user friendly. First, we can see any user can locate and any user can easily handle our website. And secondly, where we can see other platforms are most costlier. They provide some subscription or that, and we are free of cost. So it's two major factor. And we can also see that it's personalized, where a user can be locate their goals according to their health. It's a beneficial for a person to locate their health, to maintain their health records, how he or she is getting more weight or doing their less weight. So yeah,
yours is a web application, right? It is not app, I think.
yeah, yeah,
Yes.
correct.
Web
It's an
application.
application.
So
Yeah.
you can go for developing app also.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay? That is my suggestion.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Okay, that's all. No.
Thank you, team. Now you can leave the meet.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Go team Jainam and Japam.
Yes, sir. They have joined the meet, sir.
Okay.
Team, you can start your demonstration. No need to present the PPT. You just need to give the demo.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now you can start.
You may give small introduction to your project and then you start the demo.
Yeah,
Small
okay.
introduction with less than 1 minute.
Okay, sir. So,
Okay.
good afternoon, everyone. We are Tech Titans. Our project title is Interactive CNN Model for Image Classification and Image Recognition. Coming to project, this is a web app using deep learning techniques. We have used CNN model on the CAF10 dataset, consists of 60,000 images of 32 into 32 color of 10 classes. So features includes loading data, training the CNN model, evaluating metrics, and looking for the precision, recall, accuracy, and F1 score, and predicting the uploaded image by the users. So I will be going to the execution of the project. So, sir, is the screen okay, sir? So this is the interface of our project. So first we need to load the data. Once the data is loaded, then in logs we will be getting that data has been loaded and pre-processed. Once the data is pre-processed, then we will be building the model of CNN. Once the model is built and it is ready, we will be getting in the logs that the model has built and compiled. Once the training has started, it goes for the 10 iterations, and for the 10 iterations we don't need to go to the back of the Visual Studio to look for the updates. So each update will be given in the training process. So after that, once it is done, we will be getting the visualization of accuracy and loss, as well as confession matrix. Once it is done, for example, we can evaluate the model. So it will take less than 1 minute.
You may continue the execution, but I have few questions.
Yeah, I see.
So why do you use CNN model for image processing kinds of tasks?
So, as compared to some other models, CNN is the better for the image classification and recognition. So I have used CNN.
In what way it is better?
As compared to some other machine learning algorithms, CNN is better for the image classification and recognition.
In terms of in what way it is better?
Like, for example, if we take the input layers, we can take it as 32 into 32 as a RGB. So it has the uh, 2D layers also. So for it is easy to for the recognition also. So in that way, it is better for the image classification and recognition.
Okay, continue with your demonstration.
Sir, once the model is evaluated, we'll be getting the precision, recall, and F1 and support scores. Sir. So once it is done, we can load the images. So once we upload the image, it will be predicting as a dog. Sir. So any images from the dataset which we have trained our model, it will be able to recognize and give the proper output for that also. For the
What is the
image.
difference between image classification and image recognition?
So classification is nothing but it is classifying the based on their categories. For example, there are many birds in that, like a kingfisher bird, etc., etc. So like that, we have taken the 10 classes. So based on the 10 classes, now the as this project is just a startup, so we are just given not to classify based on the different type of birds. Just we are classifying it as just it is a bird or a dog or anything. Next, in future updates, we are going to classify it as whether it is a kingfisher bird or any some other birds or breed or anything, sir.
Demo is over, pending is there.
Yeah, demo is done, sir.
Done?
Yeah, I said.
Okay, then. Well, questionnaire is also done.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. మా నెక్స్ట్ టీం వచ్చేట్టు చూడండి.
Yes, sir. They will be joining in few minutes, sir.
You keep two or three teams in line. Don't give gaps.
Yeah, okay, sir.
No.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. You give small introduction to your project and then proceed to the demonstration directly.
Okay, sir, I will.
Hurry up. We don't have much time.
Okay, sir, okay. I'll try to complete everything in my short time. Okay, sir. Myself, Shivani, from the Future Developers team, from the TC College of Engineering and Technology. Our problem statement.
I think you have some issue with your there, ma'am. Please check that once.
So wait a minute, I will share my screen to show my prototypes and PPT. Yes, sir. This is the problem statement. I have taken Ecolite Smart Waste Management for Sustainable Cities. The subtitle is Transforming the Waste Management with AI, IoT, and Machine Learning. The introduction of my project is EcoLife aims to tackle the present issue of insufficient waste and community engagement. And come to the problem statement, we have taken these 3 points because we have to implement furtherly on these things like smart waste collection, and second one is efficient recycling processes. Third one is community awareness and engagement. So we have found the solution of that points also. And the solution is overview. Bullet points are AI powered waste generation patterns analysis, IoT enabled real time waste monitoring management, and citizens engagement. And here the key features. If we observe the key features, it will be helpful to the user-friendly interface for the citizens and data-driven insights for waste management. And existing infrastructure scalable and editable. And here we have collected the technical architectures also how it is going to work furtherly. And here the slide files technical architecture. The title is EcoLife, our problem statement. By using data collection and analytics, AI and machine learning components. And here I have collected the feature matrix, and that means that states the we have already taken the
Ma'am,
existing problem.
sorry, ma'am,
So
sorry
many.
to interrupt. Ma'am, no need to show your presentation, ma'am. You can start the demonstration.
Okay. I have included the future matrix success, so that's why I'm telling.
No, ma'am, it's okay. You don't need to give the whole presentation. Just show the demonstration.
Okay, I will go. Just
Yeah.
5 minutes. After the completion of my future matrix, I will go for that.
Ma'am, we don't have much time, ma'am. You need to complete it faster, ma'am. So please start your
Okay.
demonstration.
Okay. Here is my PPT. Just wait a minute, ma'am. I will show you.
Ma'am, we literally don't have much time, ma'am. Please be fast.
Okay. I'm doing. I'm sharing my screen. Just give 1 minute, ma'am. And here is my prototype, and I'm getting started. Here I have done the prototype, how much waste is going on and how we can separate by using this app. It will be very useful when we're going to scanning it. Is showing the three bins, and the waste is belongs to the which component, either it is wet waste or dry waste or whatever it may be. We can identify easily by using this app, and we can easily modify it furtherly by using this. So this is my prototype plans, and thank you. Ma'am, I am done with my prototype. Could you say anything?
Okay, sir. Now you can ask some questions regarding this, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. So basically, yours is a web application or app?
App, sir.
App.
App.
What technologies you have used?
Sir, I'm not understanding. Your voice is not.
What
I'm not getting
technologies
your
have you
voice.
used, ma'am?
Sir, IoT and replace.
Okay. Basically, in the demo, you have not shown any IoT part. IoT part is also there in your project.
No, sir, not there. I have created this by using Reflex platform.
Hmm?
I have given the such things.
What?
I have done the prototype.
Prototype only.
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. Okay, what type of waste your project can handle?
Dry waste, wet waste, plastic waste also.
Hmm. Okay, Amma. Work is done.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thanks for
ma'am. Now
giving
you
this.
can leave the meet.
Okay, okay. Thanks.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for giving this opportunity.
Yeah. Yeah, team. Now you can start your demonstration. No need to give a complete presentation. Just give a small introduction. Then start your demonstration. Good afternoon. We are here. We, Prakriti team, we are from Gitanjali College and Narasimha Reddy College. We are here to present PCOS effect, where women's where 10 to 50% of women worldwide are not aware of this. Uh, next, we here to present an opportunity using AI and telemedicine streamline where patients can directly connect to the doctors, and the core features are patient registrations and doctor dashboard, diagnostic AI tools, etc. Next, we are using AI model modules called NLP, CNN, chatbot, NLP for chatbot symptom analysis, and CNN for ultrasound image
What is the
diagnostic
title of your project?
OI.
OVA AI. What is OVA?
OIL is a platform where females can use for their PCOS and PCOS diagnosis center. Like most of the women are not aware of these problems, so they use this platform for easy diagnosis, and they help. This helps them to uh, tell their situation of health situation very easily and friendly. As doctors, they can have a doubt of security and some problems of some personal problems. So they in this platform they can feel secure and free to share the problems. Here, this platform is analyzed by the symptoms and image detection, video detection, and some medical report analyzation where they have already going through as previous. So
Go
I'll
for the demo, Amma.
yeah. Yes, sir. This is our AI web application. Here we have home page. We have 5 pages of web application. This is the home page where we use for the registration and login page. After this, we have about section where we have information about this OVA AI. If they have any doubts regarding the application, they can check out here. Also, this is the application where we can analyze the symptoms. Let's take example of we have some 5 to 6 uh, symptoms. We will have some symptoms. Let's check here. I have some fever, uh, weight gain, and bloating here. So we can uh, check if we want, this is the optional, we can upload some images, videos, and medical reports over here. By this we can analyze the results. This will go to about section to the resultant section where this tells the symptoms level of our health. Moderate this symptoms details is the fever and these are the symptoms which we have selected, and the level of risk is moderate, and this is the description by our OVA AI where we have to follow the description for the some prescription by the doctor, and we have the option of consultant doctor over here, and we can save this description in the PDF form also, like this. And also we have consultation of doctors over here. We have some special doctors, we can choose them and we can consult them.
Show me that PDF, Amma. Open that PDF.
Okay.
PDF. Actually, in the prescription, doctor will give only few remarks, right?
Sir?
In prescription, in a normal daily day-to-day prescriptions,
Yeah,
doctor will give only few lines. But
like we are giving the prescription, like analyzing the situation of their healthcare. To the patient should know their situation, so details. So we will prescribe the health situation at first, and then we will prescribe the what are the sections they have to follow, what are the diet they have to follow, and like that.
okay then. Okay, yours is done, Amma.
Like if we have some old women or child girls, they can't like uh, they can't remember all the details while reading this all situation. So we are analyzing the situation, and we are giving a first description, because the elder one woman or some family member who are like take caring of them, they can also know the situation and they can also follow the details.
Okay, done. Yours is done. You can leave the meeting.
Thank you. You can now you can exit the group. I mean link.
Call the next page, Amma.
Yes, sir. They are coming.
Hmm.
Team, are you ready?
Yes, just a minute. My teammate would also be joining.
Okay, just a guideline that you will be having only 8 minutes. Within that
Okay.
time, you need to show your demonstration, and there will be a question and answer session as well.
Right. Yes.
Just give a small introduction, a brief introduction about your project, then start demonstration. We don't have much time, sir.
Yes. So only 1 minute. My teammate would be joining, and then we'll start. So yeah, he's here.
Okay.
And we'll start in a minute. Akshat, are we ready? So
Yes.
yeah, can you please give me the access to share the screen? So is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes. So good afternoon, sir and ma'am. My name is Sarvatya Bhatlavande, and I have my teammate Akshat right here. We are from Vishwakarma Institute of Technology. We are second year computer engineering students, and our project is Ashrika, automated medical transcription and summarization system. So let's focus on what's the motivation that we have and what's the problem statement. So as we are aware that medical transcription is a huge industry abroad. In India, it's not much of a big deal right now, but in US, UK, and many European countries, a lot of data is generated through medical transcription and the real-time interactions between the patients and the doctors. Earlier, it was done manually, and it was very time-consuming and prone to errors. Now, there have been automations with help of many speech-to-text tools and artificial intelligence. So we have tried to focus on two parallels. One is about the medical transcription and summarization to summarize efficiently the doctor and patient conversation. For example, there's an elderly or anyone who visits the doctor. The conversation lasts about 45 minutes to an hour, but the key medical terminologies they just consist of only like 30 to 40% of the conversation. Other conversation is about like making the patient at ease, asking him about his hobbies, families, etc. Like the overall conversation. So the main medical crux, that is, what are your do's and don'ts? It's just about like 40% of the conversation. Now, one in our two-pronged approach, one is the summarization. Then second is elderly care, where we also offer an audio output where elderly people who tend to forget what was the diagnosis, we offer them that, and also for illiterate people, we also offer multilingual support. The third and the most important like solution that we have for this problem is a retrieval augmented generation system that gels with the entire EHR database of the hospital, which is like recording those patient-doctor conversations. Now, to focus on survey and gap analysis, the competitors that we have are based in US, and they are DeepScribe and Dragon Medical One. So they only offer transcription services, and they do not provide any elderly support or any database integration with the hospital. They are completely cloud based and they store their own database. So there is no integration between the hospital's EHR and their database. So to retrieve the information, the hospital completely depends upon these big companies, which are just offering medical transcription as a service. Then like what is our solution? So our solution is first for summarization we convert the entire conversation of the patient and the doctor to text through our speech to text models. Then we summarize the whatever the text is, basically the conversation, we summarize it through our fine-tuned model, which is the BART model by Facebook. Earlier, we tried using ChatGPT also, but it is paid, and we wanted to develop a completely open source system. And when we conducted a comprehensive survey about it, we came through Facebook's like Meta AI's BART, which is completely open source, and it's currently a benchmark model for summarization. And what we did, what we fine tuned it on a custom database, so it is able to capture important medical terms. And now after summarization we convert that text to speech, and with multilingual support, so that illiterate people and elderly people can also listen to their like summarized diagnosis or whatever the medical details of the conversation are. Then we also apply named entity recognition, so that the only key terms from the conversation, like what is the diagnosis, what is the drug frequency, etc., can also be recalled. And database integration, a RAG system which can be like doctor can retrieve any like query regarding a specific disease or a specific person through that RAG query. Now, this is how the dataset was prepared. We first took the PubMed dataset, which is a government database of a UK-based hospital, and it has been cited by many journals in reputed conferences. We took this data, we augmented it, we made a synthetic data. It is basically a disease description. We augmented in such a format that the patient is describing his symptoms and doctor is diagnosing the disease. So for fine-tuning our large language model, that is BART, we fine-tuned it on such augmented database. So database was also created by us and uploaded to Hugging Face. And now after fine tuning the model, these are our scores. As you can see, we have used ROACH and BLU scores for evaluation of our large language model. We have compared the base model and our model. So there was an average of 30% improvement across all the benchmark scores like ROACH and BLU. So what do these scores tell us? So Roj 1 and Roj 2 tell us about the important words that are captured between the summarized and the non-summarized data, and Roj L tells us about the overall common subsequence, like the overall context captured from the summarized and non-summarized text. In our case, it is the diagnosis or the
Hello.
symptoms.
Excuse
Yes,
me.
sir.
I need not present the PPT over all means entire PPT need not present. Go for the demo.
Okay, sir. Sir, so after seeing the system architecture, we'll directly move through demo. So first, the conversation is recorded through UI.
Team,
Then
you
we
have
have the.
completed your 6 minutes. You only have 2 minutes, so please start
Okay,
your
so
demonstration.
let's directly proceed to demo. Right. So Akshat, can you show the demo?
Yes. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, you are visible, but please make sure you completed it in 2 minutes.
Yeah, so this is the system. Like we have two options. We can either start a live transcription or we can upload a pre-recorded audio. So the bare minimum requirement for the doctor is just a microphone. So for demo purpose, I've already uploaded a pre-recorded audio file. So this is the output. This is the transcription. The whole conversation is just converted to text using the OpenAI Whisper model. Then this transcription is passed to the our own model, which we have fine tuned, and this is the summary generated by the model. Then we also provide the translated summary, like if someone is illiterate or who can't read English, so he can read it in multilingual. We have provided the multilingual support. We have also given the name entity recognition, like what are the main terminologies from the conversation, like these are the drugs, like ibuprofen, this is the drug. And
Already in the market, so many existing systems are there. How is your project different from the existing ones?
There are many projects, sir, but our main system, like we also provide support for elderly people. Like we also provide the audio output. Many systems provide just the summary or just the transcribed text. We also give the history. Like you don't have to maintain a file. Like in traditional or in nowadays, they maintain they maintain a PDF file or a file in as a record. So we also provide a Postgres database where all your history is stored simultaneously, like individual patient history is stored in front of their ID. And we also provide the audio file, like if you
This audio file is related to transcription.
right,
Yeah,
the
yeah. The summary.
summarized transcription is then converted to the audio file, so that the people who can't read, so they can directly hear the audio file.
Okay. Then any more highlights?
We have
So
also provided a database system, like as Sarvadne will explain.
yeah, so now now there are two demos. One is this that the web application that the patient and doctor will see, and one is the for the EHR that the RAG query I mentioned, that the doctor can like just put a query and the data will be retrieved. So Akshat, now I'll be sharing the screen.
Sure.
So this is the basically the front end for the query system. So for example, I have a sample query which says what were the treatments prescribed for psoriasis. So as you can see, these are the top three matches with cases too. For example, it compares against the match scores, and as you can see, like Ravi Shankar visited dermatology patient for consultation. Like any query, you can pass it like about an individual patient too, and I can also like change it manually. Like how many relevant records do I want from the database? Currently, our database has 100 real-time records which are based on like doctor-patient conversations. So you can switch it to 5. So as you can see, instantly top 5 matches with the match scores are like told. Now we also provide the analytics for the hospital about the overall what is the analytics about
Okay,
the.
ma'am. Thank you very much. Yours is done.
Sir, like can we get one more minute?
Sorry, team. Another team is waiting. We have to let them also.
Okay.
Yeah, you can exit from the group.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Uh, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, team. Team, you can start your presentation now. Team, are you able to hear me?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Regarding
Is my screen visible? Good afternoon. Is my screen visible?
There is some issue from your end, Amma. Just check it. Maheen.
Yes, sir. Sir, am I audible now?
Audible only, but no sync.
నేను అన్మ్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాను.
Not syncing, Amma. So audio is lagging. Just disconnect yourself and connect again.
Sir, I think there is some technical issue. She needs 2 minutes. Let's wait for 2 minutes, sir. After that, we will be continuing. Team, are you ready for your presentation?
అది 10 అయిపోయినాయి సార్.
Hello, yes, ma'am. Tell me.
హలో మహీన్. Just speak some words, Maheen.
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes.
I'll share my screen, sir.
Yes, you can.
Is my screen visible, sir?
Yes, screen is visible. Just give small introduction and just directly go to demonstration.
Sure, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Sadia Mahin Siddiqui, and I am from Osmania University College campus. I'm currently in my second year of computer science and engineering, and I'm representing Team Tech Champions. We have created Avatar, which is an AI-powered career coach, which is not just a platform but an ecosystem for both freelancers and employers. Let me directly show you the working demonstration of our application. This is the landing page of our application. The landing page is powered by Vercel, and it is also using Tailwind CSS, React Framework, and Next.js. So after this landing page, a user can log in using a secure authentication portal using Clerk authentication. After authentication is complete, a user will be able to select his or her particular industry and a particular industry insights. And the speciality about our project is we are covering over 50 plus industries and 1000 plus interview questions. When a user, after signing in, goes to the industry insights page, he or she will be able to see the industry insights, the market outlook, and the industry growth, the demand level, and top skills. These are the salary ranges by role, the software engineer, data scientist, DevOps engineer, and so on. A user can see the minimum, median, and maximum salary based on the role he or she chooses. This is entirely powered by Ingest AI, which uses a cron job in GitHub to update every 7 days so that the users are updated with the industry insights every 7 days. After that, the key industry trends are also shown here, and the recommended skills that a user must be aware of is also shown. Next, we have this job listing page where a user can search their dream job and also find a URL for the LinkedIn profile so that they can directly register for that particular job. This is powered by the LinkedIn API so that the users can enter their specific job title, say project manager, and the location of the job, and then he or she can search for a particular job, and this fetches the data from a LinkedIn API so that they can search and apply to several entry level project manager jobs. Nextly, we have several growth tools for our users. One of them is resume building, where the users can fill a simple form and they can enter their email IDs, their all social addresses, then their professional summary, a list of key skills, and the work experience. Now here in the work experience, we are adding a small bit of AI here. A user can add a software development engineer at Google. He or she can then choose a start date and mention if it is their current experience or not. And then I am working as an SDE at Google, something like this. But this description, however, is not ATS friendly. So when the user clicks on improve with AI, they get an ATS friendly version where they can change these placeholder values and then easily add it to their resume. Now, after adding it to the resume, they can also download their markdown file, and then instantly they can generate a PDF out of it. So here, as you can see, they can easily download and save their resume. Also, a user can generate a PPT out of their resume content. Now, this is once in a lifetime thing because we are using the world's new MCP server. We are connecting our own MCP server and we are running it on the backend. As you can see, this is the backend where the MCP server is running, and the user can give a call to this particular MCP server and then generate their own resume based on the content of their resume. Let me click on generate PPT here. So when I click on generate PPT, the backend gives all the resume content to Gemini API, which generates a macro code, and this macro code is running on the PowerPoint extension. It picks any PowerPoint presentation application which we have in the background. Say it is Microsoft PowerPoint, or say it is WPS Office, and then it instantly opens that PPT application for us. And after opening that application, it will fill it with our resume details and generate an instant resume for us. Meanwhile, after this resume building, we also see another feature of our application where we can generate cover letters. The cover letter is generated by providing the job description, and after providing that, users can easily generate the cover letters, which has placeholder values so that users can update it and save it to the backend, which is powered by Firebase Firestore. Another growth tool we have here is interview preparation, and that is the most interesting part here. We have not only written interviews but also verbal interviews powered. So here we can see the PowerPoint has started. The MCP server has started our PowerPoint instantly, and we can see that our presentation is now ready for us. So if I do a quick slideshow of this presentation, we can see
Sorry, ma'am, for the
Professor
interruption. Your
Summaries
presentation time is completed, ma'am. Sorry for the interruption, but your presentation time is completed. Now, sir will be asking you some questions.
Yes.
right, sir.
Good
Sir,
evening.
we also had good evening, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Uh, Currently, there are many existing systems for career guidance and counseling. Okay, what way yours is different from the existing ones?
Sir, our current entire project is based on cloud infrastructure, and we are automating all the workflows, not only for freelancers but also for employers. If I just go ahead and if I just show you the other applications of my project, these are the latest projects, and this entire thing is stored on Supabase, which is a cloud infrastructure. All other applications usually use updated PostgreSQL or MySQL databases, which is not secure and reliable. But this is based on cloud infrastructure. This is a where we can search for past projects. We can see on more details of a particular project. We can update to a particular project by uploading our resume, and after applying for the project, we can also collaborate with the users on the project. So collaboration and everything is based on Firebase, Firestore, and again that is making our entire see if we just collaborate with the users, we can just copy the chat space. Everything here is very secure. We can go to a particular chat space, we can open a URL where users can instantly log in based on a specific project atmosphere, and then after logging in there they can have a secure chat system based only for their particular project.
Okay, Amma. Thank you very much. Yours
Thank you,
is
sir.
yours is done. You can.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, team. Thank you, team. Let's give a round of applause to all the participants for their hard work and dedication. With that, we conclude the project presentation for Virtual Vista 2.0. We would like to invite few participants to share their experience and thoughts on this competition.
అందరు లేరు కదా.
Akshita, Sarvantya, are you there?
Have you followed up, Amma, the participants in order to
Yes,
share
I
the?
have followed up them, sir. They said they will be sharing their experience.
Uh-huh.
Akshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now you can share your experience and your thoughts regarding this virtual Vista.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Virtual Vista 2.0 was a great platform to showcase our innovative ideas. The
Please
competition was
on your video as well, ma'am.
okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. The Virtual Vista was a great platform to showcase our innovative ideas. The competition was well organized with clear guidance and timely communication. The categories are allowed for different diverse project submission and judging process felt fair and transparent. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Akshita. Sarvanand, are you there? Now I would like to welcome our respected academic jury to share their thoughts and insights.
I appreciate the creativity, effort, and innovation demonstrated by all the participants. The diversity of ideas ranging from cutting edge technology solutions to socially impactful projects reflects the deep thought and commitment each time has invested. What stood out most to me was not just the novelty of the ideas, but also the clarity with which many of the students were able to communicate their vision. The way several teams connected real world problems with practical and scalable solutions was truly commendable. As a jury member, my role was to evaluate based on criteria such as originality, feasibility, presentation clarity, and potential impact. While it was a challenging task to choose the best among so many deserving projects, it was also a fulfilling experience that gave me a glimpse into the bright future of innovation in our country. I encourage all the participants, whether you receive an award today or not, to continue refining your ideas, seek mentorship, and take your projects further. Competitions like these are just the beginning of a much larger journey. Thank you very much. And I want to talk. uh, I want to tell important news regarding NCFT National Conference on Futuristic Technologies 2025. So this national conference is being organized by the CSC department of GNITC in association with the CSI, Computer Society of India. So it is very much useful for the researchers and MTech students and BTech students to present their project ideas and to present their projects, mini projects, major projects in the conference, and they can get a certificate if their paper is selected and published. And I seek everyone present in this conference to tell about this conference to your friends and relatives so that they will get benefited, and we can make this NCFT. I seek all the people to make it a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. As we approach the end of this extraordinary event, it is a time to acknowledge the efforts and contributions that have made Virtual Vista 2.0 a resounding success. To extend our heartfelt gratitude to all those who have been a part of this journey, I would like to invite Ms. C.H. Nagmani to deliver a vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon, everyone. As we draw the curtains on this inspiring journey of innovation and learning, it's my honor to deliver the votes of thanks on behalf of the organizing committee of Virtual Vista 2.0, the national level online project competition hosted by IEEE Computer Society at Guru Nanak Institution's Technical Campus, Hyderabad. First and foremost, a heartfelt thanks to our esteemed judges, Dr. Sri Hari Rao sir as academic jury and industrial jury, Dr. Animesh Tayal and HODs who generously shared their time and insights. Your thoughtful evaluation and encouraging feedback have added immense value to the participants' efforts. To all the participants, thank you for showcasing such brilliant ideas and technical expertise. Your passion and creativity made this competition a truly enriching experience. To our organizing team, your dedication, behind the scenes effects, and seamless execution ensured the success of this event. Let us carry forward the spirit of innovation and collaboration that Virtual Vista 2.0 has celebrated today. Thank you once again.
I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all the participants for their extraordinary efforts, to our judges for their valuable time and insights, and to our organizing team for making this event a grand success. A small reminder regarding the feedback form. I would like all to take some time and fill the feedback form that has been posted in the group. Thank you everyone for joining us today. Look forward to seeing you next year. Have a nice day.
Okay. Four selected. Out of four, only one is select చేయమంటారు బెస్ట్ ఏమైనా ఉంది అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ఫోర్ ఒక నిమిషం